In this video I'm going to show you how to create a complex search. So on the screen you can see the search that we created in the last video, which is a simple search. So you can see that I've only used one criteria, so I'm searching for one thing. Okay, a complex search would involve us searching for more than one thing. So you'd have more than one criteria, okay, more than one of these in your search. So I'm going to show you how to create one of them. Okay, so I'm going to close this down and I'm going to create a new search. So you should know how to do that by now. So we're going to go create, query design. Okay, make sure because once you've started creating things in the database, you've got these things going across the top, these tabs. Okay, so make sure you've got your table selected. Okay, I'm going to bring in my class table. Going to make this bigger so I can see all my fields. Double click on the title, click, drag, drop. Okay, so I'm going to do a search that is going to allow me to find all the people with blue eyes that have no brothers or sisters. Okay, so you can see I'm doing the search for two things. All the people with blue eyes, so on my eye color, I'm coming down to the criteria box, okay, and I'm going to type in blue. So if I run that search, you'll be able to see that I've got people with blue eyes, just blue eyes. And secondly, that have no brothers and sisters. So remember in the last video I said there were two ways to do that. You can either do greater than 0, or sorry, we're looking for people who haven't got any brothers or sisters, so that's going to be equal to 0. Alright, because obviously if we got brothers or sisters, then it would be greater than 0. Okay, for those that haven't got brothers and sisters, there'll be a 0. So I'm going to just click run on that, and there you can see that I've only got one. Okay, Brody Morgan has no brothers and sisters and has blue eyes. So if I take you back, screenshot wise, take a screenshot of this. I want you to identify what you've searched for. So we're looking for all of the people in the class that have blue eyes with no brothers and sisters. Run the search. Okay, your second screenshot is that. So I just want to show you the show column. So say for example I didn't want to show the ID number, I didn't want to show what month they were born, and I didn't want to show where they lived. Okay, if I untick these boxes, okay, so I don't want to show the ID number, I don't want to show the month that they were born, and I don't want to show where they live. Okay, so I've chosen not to show those three fields. If I run my search now, you can see that I can't see the ID number, where they live, okay, or what was the other one we looked for? We took off month born. So you can't see month born, where they live, or their ID number. So make sure you save your search. So I'm just going to put those back on. I'm going to save my search. So I'm going to right click on there, save, and this is a search for blue eyes and no brothers or sisters. Okay, and there's my complex search saved. So remember, simple search searches for one thing, complex searches search for more than one thing in a search.